Good morning guys. Almost 9 o'clock. I'm actually doing the room. I'm going to put a frame in here, a poster, and I need to put this nail. I saw in the construction of houses that most of the houses here in Australia, they are made of wood. Yeah, I don't know how to find out. And now I'm hungry and preparing this. This is milk, water, butter. And I'm going to put this carbonara. I'm also doing my laundry. As you can hear, it's finished. Another idea. I'm going to take this out. Look at that, very easy. Yeah, very easy because this is very thin, and I'm going to hide it with something. I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm going to finish all these things because I'm also doing something like a curtain that I'm going to put in the in here in the window. So that in the night, because in the night, if you are outside, you're going to see that it's very bright in there once I open the light. Yeah, we're going first to Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Oh yeah, this is my new, not the new sunglass, but this is the new lens that I bought from actually from eBay, not Amazon. We are now here. We are not going to eat in KFC. I just had KFC last night. Yeah, we are here in Kmart. I pick up this poster and I bought this Telstra Wi-Fi modem. But the problem is I forgot my GoPro in the bike. I hope it's not going to lose. Oh, it's so good. It's here. We're going to leave the bike there and we're going to eat in this Thai restaurant. Oh, I just received a message that my package arrived in the house. So after this meal, we're going home. And this is what I am going to have. My favorite. We also got one extra rice. I'm satisfied, very full. And I'm going to leave the bike there again, but this time I'll put a lock because we are going inside. I also bought something from the dollar store and I have it in my backpack. So I'm excited to see the office massage chair that I bought online. I'm thinking of doing a live stream, but it's going to be boring, so not anymore. Before unboxing this chair, I'm going to show you this poster. This photo paper. And I print it in Kmart. I'm going to put it in a frame and will be put on display. There is USB. Assembling of things these days are very easy because usually it always comes with this Allen key. Assembling the bike, a chair like this, furniture. Look, the quality is not really the best one. It's not comfortable. It feels small. Oh, this bread knife and this tube. I found it on the side on the wall of the house. Back. Ah, nice. Not very smooth. Okay, finally I finished one job. Good. Okay, now I'm going to organize all these things. Even here outside, so much mess. And I also finished doing this. I don't want to put it there because I'm scared that when I'm sleeping, it is going to drop on my head. Yeah, it's beautiful, right? Yeah, you remember this photo was taken using my Samsung Galaxy S21. Yeah, and I printed it in Kmart, and this is how it looks now. Maybe I'm going to change it with this one. This one is pretty heavy also. Yeah, nice. Oh, here there is one. Okay. This is the Telstra modem. This is going to be my home internet. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. I am trying to be good but not really good. Good afternoon. Sorry. Good afternoon. Thank you. Good afternoon. Yo, we are now here, and there are many people this time. Also, there is this jumping trampoline, and some people in here they are having their meal, food. We're just going to buy avocado. This avocado, this is $4.90. I'm going to get those mixed seafoods. Yeah, marinara. It's $12.50 per kilo. And I got 2 handful. Tomato, $5.90. And we're also going to take one of this bok choy. This is just $2.50. Okay, we are home. And yeah, the first thing that I see when I get in is this this one. Yeah, I printed it 2 days ago. I picked it up yesterday. And now it's beautiful looking in there. Now I'm going to prepare my meal because I'm very hungry. Oh, I put too much water. I'll take out first some water and put it back later. And this is my meal. And the moonlight and the same little thing set to see your smile shining down on me. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty already to 2:10 when I sign out. Yeah, I start at 6. Yeah, nice weather today as you can see in here. Also, it is not windy. Yeah, but it is a little cold when you are on a bike. And today there are many people here. Like there's nowhere to run, I'll be alone. Oh, I noticed that that shop, they put a barrier. I mean the customer, they can't go inside anymore. Yeah, if you want to eat, if you want to buy something, you just need to pay directly to the cashier from outside. And it is written on the wall that a mask is required. Actually at work, from morning I was wearing mask. I mean, all of us. Yeah, everyone that is working during the service was wearing a mask. Yeah, it's that's the very first time that I am seriously wearing a mask. Yeah, while working. Yeah, everyone in here are very much aware about the situation in Sydney, because at the moment there is lockdown in Sydney due to the COVID cases that is rising. If you don't know me by now, the last time I heard there are around 7 or 15 cases in Sydney. Yeah, and so and the lockdown just started last night, and that COVID has started like weeks ago, and that COVID cases are known to be the Delta one. Actually, the lockdown is in Central Coast, Greater Sydney, Wollongong, Blue Mountain. Yeah, the lockdown is in there. Here in Port Stephen, there is no Newcastle, there is no lockdown. Yeah, but people here are cautious because yeah, it is a school holiday, and expected that many people from Sydney will come here for their holiday vacation, and so that's why people here are wearing masks. During the service there is one order for a room service, and it's written on the docket, can't go dine in because a Sydney resident. So many people around here walking. The afternoon, yeah, many people are walking. I need to keep on ringing the bell. The afternoon. How you going? Good. Oh, yesterday there is a couple on that far side, and yeah, they are walking, and I don't want to disturb them, so I drive slowly, like I have no intention of overtaking. Yeah, but then they suddenly stop, and ringing the bell is like inappropriate to do, so I just say just sorry. Yeah, and then the guy said you should use your bell. Yeah, something like that. And I just smile because if I explain my part, probably it is going to be a worse thing. The wife smiles, but the guy is a little bit upset. And then I keep on driving slowly, like because like I have no intention of moving fast. I'm not really sure if I am day of tomorrow. Yeah, because tomorrow we will be just having 80 bucks. And yeah, so Chef Mayat said I can have my day off tomorrow. Oh, look at that. You notice that most of these trees less leaves already. Some of them are totally nothing. We are not going to the grocery because I feel like I need to wear the mask. I actually have one mask in my backpack. Okay, so this is going to be my meal, and we're going to be just in the computer.